A real one. He a real one, okay? Blippi is a real one. That's why I love Blippi. Blippi is amazing. So I was about to do something. Oh, I'm grabbing diapers and wipes because I have to change a butt. Everybody go to my main posts, my main profile. Hit those 3 pin posts. Like them. And watch them continuously. Please. It actually helps me out so much. I'm so excited for Blippi, man. Blippi's gonna be here at 2:30. We're having a big ass party. I'm trying to get everything clean in the kitchen. I'm gonna organize as much as I can and clean up as much as I can before the party. And I'm cooking all this good food. I'm making a charcuterie board. I'm doing all of it. I'm doing all the things. Come here. Rocky, come here. Get you together. Okay. Oh. Duck. Babe, will you bring me that Vaseline that's in our room? Will you bring me the Vaseline that's in our room? Rocky, please stop fighting it. Thank you. Why you dressed like Halloween? Thank you. What does she say? Changing diapers are traumatic. Okay. Everybody, please like, share, follow. Please go to my profile. And, oh my God, I'm out of breath. Go to my profile, watch those 3 pin videos. That kid, he's like crazy. It's like wrestling tournament. Oh shit. Hold on, Millie. Look at me. I'm putting stuff in the fridge, getting stuff ready for your party, so just chill. Oh my gosh. See if that works. Yes, the fridge shut. Oh my God, guys. I am tired. I am out of breath. It's a 5th birthday party today, and it's actually her 5th birthday. My baby's getting so big. Yes, I'm making it. The bacon's making. She is disabled, and I am her caretaker, so every day is a hard day, but days like today are the craziest, but the most fun. Blippi will be here at 2:30. I cannot wait for Blippi to be here at 2:30. Everybody, please go over to my profile. Please watch all my pinned videos, all 3 of them. Please give them a like. It supports this channel way more than you would ever know. So make sure you guys go and do that. This is all my hygiene stuff that I had to get from Walmart today because I'm like out of everything. And I got the mega bottles because they were not only were they on sale, and then this one was on sale as well. And I tried this last time; it was great. $6 for a whole big thing. I'll take it. I love Olay. And then I got, of course, I need a big thing of Vaseline. Got a big thing of paper towels. It's been an expensive month this month.
He does not like lettuce, and he does not like tomatoes.
Oh, George, what vegetable do you like?
Chocolate cake. Silly George. Chocolate cake isn't a vegetable.
Maybe
Tomatoes and get that shit poppin'.
when they're made into a lovely salad.
Wristwatching.
You look fine. No, it's just, no, you're fine. You look like 50 Shades of I Want You Inside Me. Huh? You look like 50 Shades of I Want You Inside Me. Instead of 50 Shades of Grey.
Turning pig, sweet tomatoes, lettuce,
Into a salad. Papa Pig, can you call everyone
You
tonight?
making more coffee? Can you make me some too?
And here's some salad made with grandpa's tomato, lettuce, and cucumber.
Hey, how'd you get that big thing of Vaseline? I don't think so. I don't think so. I can't find the number 5 candle, by the way. We've looked at all the bags.
pizza. George does not like the tomatoes, or the lettuce, or the cucumber.
Dear George, don't you like the salad? George, just try a little bit of this lovely tomato. George, this is cucumber. Grandpa Pig grew it in his garden. Thanks, George. It's yummy.
Okay. Yep. Just wait.
Now it's a dinosaur.
George loves dinosaurs. George is eating the tomatoes, lettuce, and cucumber.
Well done, George. Would you like some more, George?
Careful. You want more milk or you want some juice?
Don't eat any more tomatoes, lettuce, or cucumber.
George is too full to eat anymore.
George, are you too full to eat anything?
George is too full to eat anything more.
Oh, well, then you won't want any of this chocolate cake.
Yay, you found it. I was hoping I didn't forget it.
George seems to have got his appetite
Okay, Rocky, no. I'm making food right now. Hey, stop trying to shut me in here, dude. Hey, babe, would you like some eggs? Okay.
You know, don't give me up.
I'm about to wash dishes and wipe out the whole kitchen and stuff. Make sure you all go check out my pin post, everybody. Please go like the pinned post.